In this video, you are going to see how to animate text in Adobe Premiere Pro without using any external plugins or effects. Follow along with me and don't skip at any part of this video to avoid confusions and errors. After creating the text, go to the effects panel. From there, under the motion section, enable keyframes for position and scale. Even if you want, you can enable the rotation as well. After that, move the playhead forward for a few seconds and again add keyframes for both position and scale. Now go to the first keyframe and change the position value however you like. You can move your text to the bottom, left, right, top, anything as you want. After that, if you play the video, you can see the text slowly coming in. To make this animation smooth, select all the keyframes, right click on it and choose temporal interpolation, then ease in. Again select all the keyframes, go to the same option and this time select ease out. Now if you play, as you can see, the text is coming smoother than before. Also you can play with the rotation and even the scaling if you want and generate different types of text animations as per your liking. Do note that the same method applies to animating images as well in Adobe Premiere Pro. If in case you want to add some motion blur to these text animations or even image animations, you can use the transform effect which is inbuilt into the Premiere Pro. I already made a video about that. You can check that after this. That's it guys. This is how you can animate text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.